coaches from iPass2, showing you how to create a new page in your Empower Network blog.
Woo-hoo.
We're all about fun, freedom.
That's right. And fortune.
Yes, most definitely. And I'm in everything but the right things. So now I am. So this here, let me start from the beginning. Let me start from the very beginning. Let's do that. Let's pull up a new page.
Are you sharing your screen?
Oh, you know what? That would help. Let's share my screen first. Thank you. See, that's why I have people to keep me on track, just as you do. What would I do without you?
Oh.
Okay, so let me go ahead and share my screen, and let me know when you can see it.
All right, I can see it.
Great, great. Okay, so we're going to go to empowernetwork.com, and then you're going to go ahead and log in. Once this computer comes up for me, then I will log in, and it's taking its time. Okay, I'm already logged in, so it went straight to our back office here in Empower Network. Again, it's empowernetwork.com. You go ahead and log in, and as soon as these things come up here, we'll go ahead and move forward. But all you're going to do is actually click on my blog.
Okay.
And once you've clicked on my blog, you can click the little plus sign. Now, this is one of my blogs right here, but if you have multiple blogs, you just click that plus sign. It'll drop down for you, and click the blog that you would like to add your new page on. I want to add it to this page right here, to this blog right here. So what I'm going to do is click the plus sign again, and then here at the top, are you with me?
Yes, I sure am.
Okay, great. And then we click on page customization. Then we're going to go ahead and click add a page. And you can go ahead and title it whatever you want to title it. I'm titling mine Hangouts. And then you go down here and you click the little space bar. Click the little, the I. Click the media button right here to add a media, whether it's a picture, audio, or video. In this case, we're going to add a video. And we're going to do embed it from URL. So what that means is when I'm going to click video, and I actually have a link already here of what I want to go ahead and place here. So I'm going to copy it and then paste it right there and click add media. Okay, it is now added, and what I want to do is very important here for this page customization. You see this right here, it says permalink. What we're going to do is take this beginning of it, the permalink. I'm going to copy it and put it right here just to remember as. And then also you want the word, whatever's in here, it's going to be similar to this right here. It's actually going to be the same. Only way it will be different if, let's say, I did space Hangouts with Jaleesa. And you notice as I type that you see it over here to the right, and anytime you have the space in between there, it has the under dash symbol in here. So you want to make sure you get all that if that's what you're going to actually be doing, if that's what you're going to have for your page title. And again, this page title here, this is what's going to show up here. This is what your tab is going to show up. So it's very important that you make sure that whatever it is that the person knows what they're clicking on. In this case, ours is going to be Hangouts. So I just want it to be Hangouts. That's it. And you want commenting on or off for this one. You want to turn it on whenever you're doing a Hangout, especially a live one. You want to make sure individuals can see you, they can hear you. So you always want them to be active and commenting so you know that your audience is able to communicate with you and can see everything you're doing. Especially in my case, I forgot to do screen share. So if I would have asked, can everybody see my screen? And you said no, I'd have known that I didn't click my screen share button. So, yeah, that comes in handy. Visibility to the public, yes. And we're going to go ahead and click publish. This right here is for SEO, and we're not going to go into that right now. But if you are familiar with SEO and Google Analytics, you can put all the information here. That is for another day, another training. So click Save Changes. It's going to come up all red, which is fine. And then what we're going to do is go here to Navigation Bar. Now remember when I told you that link that we needed, that permalink? Here it is right here. And since I know that that word that was in that box was Hangouts, that's what I'm going to put right there. If it's long, of course, copy and paste. But what we're going to do is take this whole link now here, copy this, and we're going to put this right here. We're going to title this. You could title it again. This is where your tab is going to be the title of your page. So we're going to do Hangouts. And you know what? I just gave you a little bit of some miscommunication here. This Hangouts right here, in the navigation bar, this is what people see. I apologize. This is what people see, are the tabs.
Okay.
These are the tabs. The title, which I'm going to show you what that is. Let me go back here. Here, let's see. I'm going to delete this out of here. I'm going to put that link right there. Another one's going to populate, but that's fine. You don't put anything there. So I put Hangouts, and I put the link right there, the permalink, and I'm going to click Save Changes. And also, while we're in here, anytime you want to add a new tab, you just do it from the navigation bar. As you see, some of these are different permalinks and some of them aren't. If you want to redirect it to your website, a different page, I have an About Me page here, I have some different things. So you do not have to always have it directed to another page in your blog. You can redirect it somewhere else. Okay, so I'm going to click Save Changes. Now it's saved, and how we'll be able to view. If you can see right here, it says Hangouts. Click on Hangouts, and as you see right here, this Hangouts right here, that was what we put in that title on the page customization. That's what that was for. My apologies. Which was, let me show you so I can make that clear. On page customization, it's right actually here. But page title, I'm going to click Edit. Whatever you put right here, this Hangout, whatever this is right here, it's going to show at the top of here of the page.
Okay, makes sense.
So they do not have to be the same. My apologies. So I didn't change anything here. I'm just going to click Cancel because I didn't do anything. So now my video's here. If someone wants to watch my video, they can just go ahead and click Play. And an error has occurred. I wonder what error has occurred. Interesting. Let's refresh this. This is funny. Why is it? Now let's try this. I'm going to put this link here. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's test this link because we can't have it acting crazy. Can we? No, we can't.
Mine says please stand by.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's say please, let's stand by. Okay. So maybe my computer's just tripping. It has been a little bit today. So this is what you should see in that. And I don't know why mine is tripping, but that link is accurate and it is correct because it's showing here. Very interesting. Nice. Okay. Anywho, so it is working. So we won't worry about why that's saying that right now. But if yours working on your end, mine's just tripping, doesn't matter. So this is how you do a page customization. And what's really important now, say you want to promote this link, okay? Since as we know with Empower Network that we cannot post this link like this on Facebook because Facebook is jealous of Empower Network. So just kidding. What we'll do is we have a button called badasscontent.com, excuse the language. And what we're going to do is create a link manually. And I'm going to create this link right here, which this is our Hangout button. Make sure we actually click this so it's showing. So I'm going to copy this, and we're basically we're masking it through this. Okay, I'm going to put it here, paste. Oh, I'm sorry, it's the wrong spot. URL slug. This is what I want it to be. I put it in the wrong part. Okay, create manually. This is where the link goes that we want to mask, and I'm going to call this Jaleesa's Hangouts. And page title, I'm going to call this Hangout with Jaleesa. Come hang out with me.
Anytime, Jaleesa.
Happy face. Image URL. I don't have the image URL in here. If I want to put an image URL, sure, let's put an image URL in here. Let's put, no, you know what? I'm going to use one from Facebook.
So why have you decided to mask your link this way instead of with like a GoDaddy domain that you have?
Well, I still am. The reason I'm doing it this way is because even though I do it with the GoDaddy still, even though I still have done it with GoDaddy, I'm doing it with GoDaddy still like this. The reason is because GoDaddy is just masking the link, but because it's a forwarding, Facebook picks up on that, and they see the Empower network in there, and they're like, heck no, we ain't letting you through. So.
Oh.
That is why I'm masking it this way, and then I do a double masking with GoDaddy because it doesn't like it that much. And sometimes I do it even 2 or 3 times depending if it won't go through. Like what I'll do, I'll mask it with the Badass Button content, then I'll mask it again with Bitly. I had to do that before. I had to mask it with Bitly, and then I masked it with my GoDaddy. So I went through 2 of them because I forgot what it was I was doing, and Facebook wouldn't take it. They didn't like it. So that was why. But what I'm going to do is just click on the picture of myself, and I'm getting ready to be picky. You guys don't laugh at me. I don't like that picture either. Oh, that one. Oh, I don't want to do that one. Okay.
You look very.
Yeah, let's just go what I have on here. Let me not be difficult. I'm going to click on this picture and go copy image URL. And again, you can do this for any picture anywhere. You right click it and it comes up. You click copy image URL and it'll use that picture. So I'm going back over here to, and this is just because I want a picture in here. No particular reason. You can put any picture if you want one. This is posted on your page. On Facebook, it's just associated with the picture, and I just chose myself because I love myself. So I'm going to create link. It's going to create for me, and here it is here. And I want to show you guys that it works. I'm going to put it on Facebook. Let me see if Facebook will let me do it, because usually it doesn't. Oh, and then the reason I map it as well too, guys, because I don't like that it has badass in it. That's just me. So that's another reason why I mask it a second time afterwards, just because I just don't want to have that on my page. But let's see if it works. It should. And a picture should pop up. Look, hang out with Jaleesa. And let's put post. And bam, it worked. They love me. They love me. And it says, yes, so I'm definitely going to delete it, though, because I don't want people to see that it says badass content. So I'll post it later, though. Delete. Yes. So that is how you do it. And now I'm going to save this. I'm going to put it under here so we can save it for later, so I can use it later. But that is how you go ahead and create a new page with your Empower Network, and how you actually mask your link as well too, so you don't keep getting blocked from Facebook. And if you're not familiar with Bitly, It's another tracking that you can do. And I like Bitly because you can track how many clicks. Let's sign in through Facebook. You could track how many clicks, how many people have clicked on your link. So let's see. You put it in here. Comes up as Hangout with Jaleesa because I already basically did it, and I'm gonna put Hangout. Now I'm putting Jaleesa's Hangouts right here too. Hangouts. Jaleesa's Hangouts. I spelled that right? Okay, I did. Okay, cool. Now I have the link right here, and I can share it, copy it. I'm just gonna copy it. And let's see what happens when I post it here. Post, post, post. Oh, badass content still comes up. Let's see if it comes up the same way. Oh, okay. Well, it's badass content right here. At least it doesn't say it right here. But hey, whatever. But
Probably the thumbnail that's associated with badass content.
Right. What would you say? I'm sorry.
Oh, I was saying probably because you're using the thumbnail that's associated with badass content.
Right, exactly. Maybe if I didn't put a picture on here, it wouldn't have came up. That's probably it. But hey, so you guys can't get away from the badass. So, but anywho, deleting that post too. But the Bitly, I love Bitly as well. So you can track how many clicks you got. Oh wow, this right here, this deal I got 50. Oh wow, that's good. 55 clicks. I put this is some affiliate marketing, you guys, that I did. So you can see how many people clicked on different links, and you can see what stuff works, what doesn't. It's pretty cool. But yep, it's free too as well. So that is how you do it. Do you have any questions?
No questions. Yeah, no questions. Thank you so much, Jaleesa.
All right. Well, if that's it, we're going to end our session today with Coach Chantel and Coach Jaleesa showing you the benefits of do-it-yourself. Oh, it's late for us, you guys. Laptop lifestyle, rich before 30. We out.
All right.